Hey, this is Sammy again. Last video I showed you a trick to how to memorize the multiplication table for number 9. Now there's a trick that's very similar to this trick with number 8. I'm going to show you that as well. But let me see if any one of you could figure out what we would do for the 7. Okay, so just watch and see. So any one of you who has seen my last video, you would know exactly what we did with number 9. But for any one of you that just seen this video for the first time and haven't seen how I did the number 9. So what I said in the last video, I said, when you are doing the multiplication table for number 9, you look at the number that you're multiplying into 9. So for instance, this start maybe right here, the 7, you multiply the 7 by 10, and then you take away 7. So by the way, so when you multiply any of these numbers by 10, if it's 6, it becomes 60, it's 4, it becomes 40. So let's just start with the 7. So 7 times 10 would be 70. So that's 70 minus, take away the 7, and that will give you 63. And that's what 7 times 9 is. So again, the same thing here, you multiply the 9 by 10, you get 90, and then you take away the 9, it gives you 81. And 8 times 10 is 80, take away 8 equals 72. So you see what I'm doing? I'm just multiplying this by 10 and taking away that from the product. Okay, so 8 times 10 and then take away 8, and then 7 times 10 and take away 7. So here it'll be 60 minus 6. Here it'll be 50 minus 5. Here it'll be 40 minus 4. And here it'll be 30 minus 3. And here will be 20 minus 2. And here will be 10 minus 1. And that's how we figured out the multiplication table for number 9. So that gives me 54. That will give me 45. 40 minus 4 will give me 36. 30 minus 3 will give me 27. 20 minus 2 will give me 18. And 10 minus 1 will give me 9. Now, can we do something similar for the multiplication table of 8? Yes, we can, with just a little bit of a glitch or a trick that we have to add to this. Now, let me just say here, if I'm doing this, the 6 times 9, I did the 6 times 10, and I took away the 6. But this 6 that I took away, it's multiplied by 1. That's why it stayed 6. So here you always multiply by 1. So 60 minus 6 will be 54. Okay. Now with the 8 is a bit different. So what we're going to do with the 8 times table, you look at the number that you're multiplying into 8, you multiply it by 10. So 9 times 10 is 90. And then you don't take away 9, you take away double the 9, which is 18, and it gives you 72. Does that work for all of them? 8 times 8 is 80. Take away double the 8, take away 16. That will give you 64. Yes, it works. So here you take the 7, multiply it by 10, you get 70. And take away double the 7, take away 14, and that will give you 56. And so this will be 60, take away double the 6, 12, 48. 50, take away double the 5, which is 10. That would be 40. That will be 40 right here. Take away double the 4, which is 8, gives you 32. And 3, that's going to be 30. Take away double the 3, take away 6. That will give you 24. And then multiply the 2 by 10, that's 20. Take away double the 2, which is 4. It gives you 16. And 1 multiplied by 10, you get 10. Take away double the 1 is 2, and that will give you 8. And that's it for the number 8. Now I want you to think about the number 7. And also, if you want to think even further, think about the number 6. So here, there's a pattern to this. And now I want to see if you could figure out what the deal is for the next number, which is 7. I'll let you figure that out. Just put a comment down there and let me know you got it. Hey, so if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, comment on my video, and don't forget to do this. Just Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching again. Till next time, bye-bye.